Kia ora. It's time to take a break. Winter is a time to relax. A time to reflect. And a time to prepare for next season. But it never seems long enough. We did manage to squeeze in a few adventures, however. Gregor jetted off on a Fonterra Next Generation trip to the North Island with 20 other younger share milkers and contract milkers. There they got to experience field days at Mystery Creek, brunch with Fonterra management, and a factory tour. Once that was over, Gregor got to visit some popular Waikato landmarks, caught up with some friends, and he squeezed in a few visits to some well-known YouTube faces, such as Hamish from Farming Family and Fun, Andrew the Once a Day Farmer, and Nathan Parry. Over Matariki weekend, we managed to get away on a family break to Anau. Here we caught up with some friends, went for bike rides around the lake, and we went on a cruise down the fjord at Milford Sound. It was fantastic to be able to see the dolphins, the seals, and Mitre Peak basking in the sunshine. It's days like these that really help to fill your cup and recharge your batteries before the challenge of calving kicks in. So let's get to work and kickstart the season. Care a few, give it everything. Thanks for watching. Kia titi Anau, Matiwa.